Since the time summer has started, my 10-year-old often complains of itching in her vagina, and my friend's 17-year-old daughter has scratched it so badly due to the same irritation and burning sensation all the time that we had to rush her to gynecologist. Itching and irritation in private parts, along with white discharge, are the most common health concerns faced by young girls and women of all ages during summer. I'm sure you will agree. It's not just the weather, our lifestyle habits also play a role. Earlier, it used to be like I've seen my mother, my grandparents. Change in food was obvious due to seasons, clothing, and also the routine used to change. They used to wake up early and sleep early because it was hot. Now, we are not doing that. I understand it's a lifestyle change. But in this video, we will discuss vaginal care during summer for young girls, 4 tips on how to help our young girls. Hey people, my name is Kavita. I'm founder of Tots and Moms Foods, and I passionately make videos on this channel. Here I'm giving you simple 4 tips for vaginal care during summer for young girls. To begin with, it's to practice good hygiene. From a very young age, it's important to talk about private parts and their health and hygiene. So as early as 2 years old, I began with talking about good touch and bad touch to my child. It was easy for me to proceed further and talk about keeping their private area clean and dry. And one important thing we have to teach our children is, and for ourselves, is to clean from vagina to rectum, not vice versa. And this can avoid the spread of bacteria. In the long term, they should know vaginal health is important during puberty, during maternity. For a long term, they must know that it is needed. And just because they need to keep their private parts clean, they don't need scented products, scented washes. Only soap and mild water would do. Next best thing is to be conscious about what they wear. Breathable clothing is very necessary. Unfortunately, children these days like leggings, jeans, shimmery clothes, tight-fitted clothes. All of it should be recommended to be avoided at least during the summer. They have to wear loose-fitted and also they have to avoid shimmery, dark color clothes. Pay attention to the fabric that goes on their body directly, the undergarments that they wear. It should not be of any synthetic fabric but cotton. And I observed the major issue with my child was she was more all the time liking to wear jeans, and she was sitting more on sofa or bed where the sweat is prone to happen. Next thing is hydration. Dehydration is one of the issue that can lead to dryness and itching. Now, encourage them to drink water and other healthy beverages like tender coconut drink, buttermilk, and kokum juice. Ensure to avoid sugary drinks as excess sugar can disrupt the vaginal microbiome, leading to pH imbalances and yeast and bacterial infections. This I'm stressing a lot because sugar intake during summer is huge as they are back home, and no, sugar has to be avoided. Swim hygiene. Children love to go out and swim in the summer, and changing out wet clothes immediately after swimming, wearing considerably looser swimwear, showering after swimming, and choosing at least crowded swimming clubs, okay? The least crowded, because I know the famous one will be crowded. So go early in the morning and find out which is less crowded, and that is a good time to swim. And in case you're traveling and your child wants to play in the water or in the pool especially, so just check on how often do they clean those pools. These habits will help our young girls stay healthy for a long time and enable them to focus on their vaginal health forever. Because if we keep talking about how important it is to keep it clean, how important is vaginal health in the long run, they will be motivated to keep it healthy forever, right? So let's play the role model role here and let's do it and show it to them than just telling it to them. So, hope you like this video, and I have two more recommendations for you about good touch and bad touch, the one that I was talking to you. In case you have a young girl, you hesitate, you don't know, then that is the video for you. And most of the times I observe that people ask us on intestinal worm issue, and over-the-counter medication is very common here. So please avoid that. Check out that video. I have spoken about what is it, why is it caused, when should we visit doctor. And yes, I'm founder of Tots and Moms Foods, a food brand which believes in providing chemical-free, preservative-free foods with all recipes being traditional and Indian, and by using locally sourced ingredients. So for babies, we have cereal mixes, dry fruit mixes, instant cereal. For older kids, we have drink mixes made of millet, jaggery, and dry fruits. Yes, there is a lot of hoo-ha about the health drinks in the market. I knew this, and this is how the brand evolved over a period of time. We started with baby food, kept adding on healthy foods for older children, and for them we also have cookies, pancake mixes, millet jaggery cookies, which is rated as India's healthiest cookies by FoodTuber. We also have this new range of products for new moms, calcium cookies, iron and folic cookies, which is great for healthy snacking. For young girls attaining puberty, during that time down south, we provide them with methi balls, okay? So this methi shakti powder is also available on our store. Stores are in Bangalore and Mysore. We also have an online site, that is www.totsandmoms.com. Our products are available on Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, Big Basket, Meesho. Do check them. And over 9 years I've been doing this. Most of them have loved and helped us grow for a longer time because they trust in us. They have come back to us for their second child as well. I am really glad and super happy that people trust in us so much. So to end this video, I would like to thank you for watching this till the end, and I would like you to comment and tell me how you like this topic. And yes, consider subscribing and liking this video. Take care. See you soon. Bye.